What's up, guys? Dinero Chaser here, coming at you with a little tutorial video on a call debit spread. So if you have been an active fan on my channel, this right here is my newest portfolio that I have been transferring all my money to. And today I just want to show you a call debit spread that I did on ticker symbol C, which is Citigroup. And I'm going to show you what my entry was and exit. So my entry, each one cost $10 and I bought 5. So my entry was $50 and I closed 4 of them, each costing 0.23. And then I closed one for $20. That $20 one was 100% return. The other one was, I forget exactly, but around 120 to 130%. And I'm going to show you which one I entered and on how you do it. So remember, for this one, you're going to need level 3 options trading to be able to do this. So because the expiration was for April 1st, you're not going to be able to see the exact amount I got into it. But what you would do, you would hit select. You're going to buy a call. And what I did was pick the $74 strike price. And then you're going to sell a call. And that one I did the $75 strike price. And what this method means and the outlook you're looking for is that you're bullish on the stock. So currently the stock is at $72.60. The closer the stock gets to $74, the higher price the option will be worth. So right now, if you're looking at it, you see to get into this position, it will cost $28. And like I said, the closer it gets to $74, the higher the entry price for this will be. And that's pretty much it. But basically, you know how you buy your original calls? You would just buy one strike price of buying a call. That's ownership of 100 shares. But with this one, you're also adding the additional sell call for an additional 100 shares. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the call debit spread. This is to ensure that you're doing it correctly when it says on top call debit spread. I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.